Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm S. Prabhakar from the Prabhakar Crooning Kanna reporting from Bangalore. And today I'm going to review you an old web series, Scam 1992, being aired by Sony Live from October 2020 onwards. Incidentally, it is my niece Swati who has introduced me to this series and said that I shouldn't miss that. And yesterday and day before yesterday, in two sittings, I have watched this 500 minutes absorbing web series. First things first, great credit should go to the casting director Mukesh Chabra for choosing fantastic actors who have suited their roles to the T. Topping them is Pratik Gandhi, who did the role of Harshad Mehta. And what a brilliant acting he has done, this Gujarati actor whom I haven't seen till date, and most of us who are used to see Bollywood movies and South Indian movies might not know anything about him. But what a brilliant performance he has put in all shades of Harshad Mehta, right from his struggling days, trying to get a foothold in the stock exchange, working as a jobber, then becoming a broker, then becoming a big bull, and almost thinking himself to be a law unto himself, and thinking that the capital market runs on his hints only. Then from that time onwards, then the second phase of his running with the various agencies, including SEBI and CBI, and ultimately his downfall and death. So every shade he has brought in, there was no overacting by him or no over the board expressions, and he has in tremendous control of this role and portrayed it so well. Followed by Shreya Dhanvantri, who did the role of Suchita Dalal. This is also a very, very critical role because it is she who has exposed this scam and written a lot of articles for Times of India in those days, and her struggle for convincing her bosses and getting the news printed in the Times of India, then of course becoming like a celebrity subsequently. Next comes Rajat Kapoor, though a role is very brief of that of a joint director of CBI K. Madhavan. He brought such a freshness to the role and was absolutely is ruthless and clinical without being over the board expressions are looking to be tough. Then Hemant Kher did the role of Ashwin Mehta, Anant Mahadevan as RBI governor, and many more actors. Everybody did a brilliant job of whatever small roles given to them. And great credit should go to the directors Ansal Mehta and Jay Mehta. The best part in this web series is that though they were dealing with the scam and Harshad Mehta, they have not projected this negative character as a hero, or they didn't make him as a fancy hero or anything like that. They concentrated more on the subject, more on the scam, more on unearthing the scam, more on us to understand what happened at that time, and approaching the subject very honestly and very straightforwardly. And I must say this, as I said, that this is one of the best things to happen in the OTT platform, and I would like really to see more and more such web series of various incidents which have happened in Indian history over the last 70 years. And any day, this sort of web series will be far better than the third-rate Bollywood and South Indian movies which are dished out for us. And as I said, that the top credit should go to the guy who did the Harshad Mehta role, that is Pratik Gandhi. I'm pretty sure we are going to listen a lot about this fellow, and we are going to watch him in many more series like that. and also of course Shreya will have a bright career, and Rajat Kapoor will have a second innings. His role was so impressive that I have seen a lot of postings in the websites that people are asking for a full-fledged web series on K. Madhavan and various cases which have been handled by him. Such was the impact of this actor, of that small role played by him. So I'm very sure you might have seen this web series by this time. But if you have not seen, don't miss it. This weekend, reserve Saturday, Sunday for this web series, Scam 1992 on Sony Live. So that's all for now. I, S. Prabhakar, sign off.